Muhammad, asal saya dari Ngata Baru.
Kenalkan, nama saya Syekh Abdillah, asal saya dari Ngata Baru.
Nama saya Syarif Hidayatullah, saya berasal dari Desa Talaga.
Hai, nama saya Davina Gasani, saya berasal dari Palu.
Hai, perkenalkan nama saya Nurminda, asal saya dari Donggala.
Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Firta Salsabila, saya berasal dari Palu.
Halo guys, perkenalkan nama saya Siti Hadiah, asal saya dari Palu. Dah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kenalkan, kami dari kelompok 1 ingin membahas masalah yaitu pengusulan Pancasila.
Yang mana kami akan membahas tentang latar belakang sejarahnya, pembentukan BPUPKI, usulan dasar negara oleh Soekarno, pembentukan Panitia 9, rancangan Piagam Jakarta, dan sampai Pancasila sebagai dasar negara. Saksikanlah kami membahas tiap-tiap poin-poinnya. Let's check it out. Okay, in the first explanation, I will talk about the background, namely, towards the end of World War II, Japan began to lose its power and face pressure from the Allies to gain the sympathy of the Indonesian people and avoid resistance. Japan promised independence to the Indonesian people. This promise was announced by Japanese Prime Minister Koizo in September 1844. As a follow-up, Japan established a special body to prepare for Indonesian independence, which later became the initial forum for discussions on the foundation of the state.
The investigation committee from preparatory work for Indonesia independence, that is BPUPKI, or Dokuritsu Jumbi Choksokai Independence, was established by the Japanese government on the March 1st, 1945, and officially inaugurated on the May 28, 1945. The BPUPKI consisted of 16 main members and several additional members from various backgrounds, including nationalists, Muslim, and traditional figures. Thanks.
On June 1st, 1945, Insinyur Soekarno delivered a monumental speech before the BPUPKI, investigating committee for preparatory work for independence session. In this speech, Soekarno proposed for 5 principles that he considered most suitable to become the foundation of the Indonesian state. The 5 principles are: the first is Indonesian nationalist or nationalist, and the second, internationalist or humanity, and the third, consensus or democracy, and fourth, social welfare, and the last is believe in good deeds on culture or culture divinity.
Ba'da intihai daulatil ula li BPUPKI zahratu wujuhatu nazarin mukhtalifatu bisya'ni siyagatin ususin daulati wa tamma tashkilu lajnatin min tis'atil a'dha wa ta'allafat hadhil lajna min Soekarno, Muhammad Hatta, Muhammad Yamin, Abdul Kahar Muzakir, Wahid Hashim, Adi Kusno, Joko Sudoso, Agus Salim, A.A. Maramis, dan Akmal Subarjo. Al-hadafu wa siyawatin nasi taswiyatu bisa'ni asasin daulati wallazi yumkinu an takbalahu jami'u al-atraf.
Naam ana sobai nuqalilan an masyru'i Misaki Jakarta. Tamasya gotu amr lajnati fitis ati biwasiqati turofu bi ismi Misaki Jakarta wa allati tamas siyagotiha fitare isna wa isrin min yuniyu sanata alfin tis'ami'a khamsa wa arba'in. Yahtawi hadzal misaku ala sigoti Pancasila tahtalifu qalilan an-nuskhatu Soekarno Sabiko ma'at tarkis ala dinil Islam fi babadil awal.
Number 7. Pancasila officially ratified. After undergoing several changes, the Preparatory Committee for Indonesian Independence or PPKI officially ratified the 1145 Constitution or UUD 1945. The preamble of this constitution, the 5 principles, were included as the foundation of the Indonesian state. The 5 principles are: first, belief in one Almighty God; so the second, just and civilized humanity; so the third, the unity of Indonesia; so the fourth, democracy guided by the inner wisdom of deliberations among representatives; so the fifth, social justice for all the people of Indonesia. With this ratification, Pancasila was officially established as the foundation of the Republic of Indonesia. Since then, Pancasila has served as the main foundation of in all aspects of the nation and the state life.
Okay, the Pancasila has served as the foundation and ideology of the Indonesian state. The values within Pancasila serve as a guide for governance, social life, politics, law, and education. Pancasila reflects the diversity of the Indonesian nation and embodies universal values such as justice, democracy, humanity, and belief in God. Throughout history, Pancasila has faced challenges, but it remains the sole foundation of the state that is acceptable to all groups and maintains the integrity of the unitary state of Republic of Indonesia. That the Pancasila at 18th of August 1945 as the foundation and ideology of the Indonesian state. Okay, thank you. Baiklah, mungkin hanya ini yang dapat kelompok 1 sampaikan.
Di akhir pertemuan ini, izinkan saya berpesan. Jangan pernah takut untuk menjadi dirimu yang sesungguhnya. Dunia mungkin akan mencobamu, tapi percayalah, dirimu yang paling jujur adalah karya terindah yang kamu miliki. Mari kita tutup hari ini dengan rasa syukur dan buka hari esok dengan keberanian. Sekian dari kami.
Umur kakek sudah menua, namun tetap mencari kekasih. Semoga bermanfaat untuk semua. Kami pamit undur dan terima kasih.
Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.